we're just printing 1, 1, 1 all the time. If we're going to run a bit of a production, we've got now 3 stations. We would be wanting to lay out all 3 cloth, like we've done now, or put all 3 t-shirts on. Then we're going to print red, red, red. What would normally happen in a production type environment is I would be the red printer, so I will print red, and I will print red, and I will print red, and I will keep going. Somebody may then come behind me with a heat gun and flash. Remember what flash means? Just to make it touch dry. Eh? So flash off the print behind me. Then maybe Bradley would come behind her or him with the green screen and print the green on top, and then somebody behind. So you've got a whole system of people moving around, and you're actually able on a table to print incredibly fast and incredibly efficiently, even with multiple colors. So when it comes time for you guys to print, it's important, you saw yesterday, if we touch the screen down before it's in the right place, we got problems because it's going to shift around and you're going to get halos and pick up, which were all the problems that we saw yesterday. So the way to do it is to bring the screen first of all back against the angle line, against the bar here, and then shift it to the side. Now it's in place, and only then put it down. Okay, now it's locked in place. When I pull, it can't go anywhere, it can't shift now. So now I can do my print. Okay, ink out. Then you remember, we lifted it up. And gently, not too firm, roll the ink back again, okay? Now I'm not done, I'm going to move on again, okay? To the next station, back, to the side and down, and I'm ready for my next print. So you see now I've already done three prints of the room.
He's excited to take the next one.
So I'm ready for my next color.
That was my question basically. This is different screens with a different artwork.
Yeah.
And it makes up that one, that complete print.
So now I'm going to go with the green. And let's see if we've got nice registration.
After the books.
Okay. Now print should be completely finished, eh?
Yes.
Sien, hulle moet hulle products kan sien wat hulle wil doen met dit.
Si Alvin gusto copiare